Hi guys, today I'm gonna build
Time
my
to buy
first
parts
PC.
for my virtual PC. Let me demonstrate an effective slide. Time to see what my customer wants. Ayala, that is gonna be expensive, but it's not my money.
We got the RGB case cause that is what my customer wants.
Let me check what the order is again.
I finally know what the order is.
Anchor Infel.
$150 for 4 slots of RAM. Now I'ma go with 2 slots. Is this the right one? Let me check if it's the right one.
THX for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.